Homeowners in Sugar Land are always looking for ways to blend comfort, style, and energy efficiency in their living spaces. One of the most popular upgrades in recent years has been the installation of casement windows. These windows, known for their versatility and contemporary appeal, are quickly becoming a favorite among residents who want to modernize their homes while also enjoying practical benefits. Modern aesthetic that elevates curb appeal. Casement windows swing outward like a door and open with a crank handle, creating a sleek, unobstructed design. Unlike traditional double-hung or sliding windows, they feature a full pane of glass with no dividing sash in the middle. This design maximizes views of Sugar Land's beautiful neighborhoods and landscapes while letting natural light flood indoors. For homeowners who value clean lines and modern architecture, casement windows provide the ideal balance between elegance and simplicity. Enhanced energy efficiency. Sugar Land homeowners are no strangers to Texas heat, and energy efficiency is a top priority. Casement windows are designed to seal tightly against their frames when closed, reducing air leakage and keeping conditioned air inside where it belongs. This translates into lower utility bills and improved comfort throughout the year. Many casement windows also feature advanced glazing options, including low E coatings and double or triple panes, which block UV rays and improve insulation. For families focused on long-term savings and eco-friendly living, this upgrade makes perfect sense. Maximum ventilation for healthier living. Another standout benefit of casement windows is their ability to provide superior ventilation. Because the entire sash swings outward, homeowners can capture breezes from multiple directions, funneling fresh air into their living spaces. This is especially valuable during Sugar Land's milder spring and fall months, when natural airflow can replace air conditioning and create a healthier, more refreshing indoor environment. For those who enjoy cooking or entertaining, casement windows installed in kitchens and living rooms make it easy to quickly air out spaces. Convenience and functionality. Casement windows are designed with ease of use in mind. With a simple turn of a crank handle, the window opens smoothly, making them a great option for hard-to-reach areas like above the kitchen sink. Many models now come with easy clean hinges, allowing homeowners to wash both sides of the glass from inside the house. This convenience adds real value, especially for busy families who want low-maintenance solutions without sacrificing modern style. Added security features. Homeowners in Sugar Land also appreciate the peace of mind that comes with casement windows. Their hook-shaped locks are embedded directly into the frame, making them more secure than some other window styles. When the window is closed and locked, the sash presses tightly against the frame, creating an effective barrier against intruders. For families who prioritize safety, this feature provides both comfort and confidence. Customization to fit every home. Casement windows are not one-size-fits-all. Homeowners can choose from a variety of frame materials, such as vinyl, wood, aluminum, or fiberglass, to match their home's design and budget. They are also available in a wide range of finishes and sizes, allowing for seamless integration into both traditional and contemporary homes. Whether part of a full home renovation or a simple room upgrade, casement windows can be customized to suit any lifestyle. The smart choice for modern living in Sugar Land. From energy efficiency and improved ventilation to sleek design and enhanced security, casement windows check all the boxes for homeowners seeking modern comfort. In a community like Sugar Land, where families value both style and practicality, it's no surprise that casement windows are quickly becoming the window of choice. By investing in this upgrade, homeowners aren't just improving their homes for today, they're also enhancing long-term value and creating a more enjoyable living environment for years to come.